Let me ask you something. Have you ever watched someone walk away from you? Like you meant nothing? No fight, no explanation, no effort to fix things? Just gone. And the worst part? They look happy. They look unbothered. Like losing you is easy. But here's the truth nobody tells you. The way to make someone regret losing you is not by chasing them. It's by becoming someone they can never replace. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. Step 1. Disappear with dignity. Most people panic when someone leaves. They double text. They send long, emotional paragraphs. They try to explain their worth. Don't. Silence is power. When you disappear calmly, without drama, you create psychological tension. Imagine this situation. They expected you to beg. They expected you to fight. They expected you to chase. But instead, you said, "I understand. Take care." And you walked away. Now they're confused because confidence is rare and rare things are valuable. Step 2. Glow up quietly. This is where most people get it wrong. They post fake happiness, fake luxury, fake rebounds. That doesn't create regret. Real improvement does. Go to the gym. Improve your fashion. Work on your mindset. Learn a new skill. Build your income. But don't announce it. Let them hear about it from someone else. One day, they see you again. You look better. You sound calmer. You move differently. And suddenly they think, did I really let this person go? That's regret. Step 3. Stop being available. Before, you're always there. Late night calls. You answered. Bad days. You comforted. Bored. You entertained them. Now, you're busy. Not pretending. Actually busy. When someone realizes they no longer have access to you, your value increases. Scarcity creates desire. And the moment they feel replaced in your schedule, their ego starts hurting. Step 4. Improve your social circle. This is psychological. When they see you surrounded by new people, new energy, new opportunities, it sends one message. You are not my only option. Let's say they see you laughing at a cafe with friends. You look relaxed. You look wanted. Now their brain starts comparing. Are they happier without me? Comparison creates regret faster than confrontation ever will. Step 5. Become unreachable. There's a difference between ignoring and upgrading. Unreachable means you don't respond instantly. You don't entertain breadcrumbs. You don't accept half-effort apologies. If they text, "Hey, how have you been?" You don't reply in 10 seconds. You reply hours later. Short, calm, polite. You show them. Access to you is no longer automatic. And when access becomes limited, respect increases.